Assalamu alaikum viewers, you are watching Duniya TV Aapki Screen Par. Today, we will take you on a journey to one of the most beautiful places on earth, a true piece of paradise created by Allah, Switzerland. So sit back, relax, and let your heart feel the peace and beauty of this heavenly land. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is a land blessed with nature's finest beauty. Its snow-covered mountains shine like silver under the sunlight, and its deep blue lakes mirror the clear skies above. As you travel through the valleys, you'll see green meadows stretching as far as the eyes can see, with colorful flowers dancing in the cool mountain breeze. Crystal-clear waterfalls cascade down from mighty cliffs, their sound echoing through the valleys like nature's own melody. The air is pure, fresh, and filled with peace, a perfect reminder of Allah's magnificent creation. From the calm waters of Lake Geneva to the breathtaking peaks of the Matterhorn, every corner of Switzerland feels like a dream come true. The beauty here doesn't just please the eyes, it touches the soul. And when the golden sun sets behind the snowy mountains, it paints the sky in shades of orange and pink, a view so magical that words can't describe it. Dear viewers, these were the mesmerizing sights of Switzerland, a true masterpiece of Allah's creation. Each mountain, lake, and valley reminds us of His infinite power and beauty. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Duniya TV Aapki Screen Par for more breathtaking and peaceful videos from around the world. Until next time, take care and keep remembering Allah, because beauty like this is just a glimpse of the paradise that awaits.